welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about peripheral components. So what is peripheral components? Peripheral device is an external or internal device that connect directly to a computer or other digital devices. So, let's proceed to input devices and output devices. So, first, what is input devices? So, input device is a term for physical piece of hardware that connects to a primary device. Here are the example of input devices. First, keyboard. Keyboard is used to type data into a computer. Keyboard has a special key such as numbers and letters. Next is a pointing device, or sometimes called a pointing tool. Is a hardware input device that allows the user to move the mouse cursor in a computer program. The next one is scanner. Scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages of a text. Next is digital camera. Digital camera is a hardware device that takes photographs and stores the image as data on a memory card. Microphone is a device that captures audio by converting sound wave into an electrical signal. And the last one is CD-ROM and DVD-ROMs, short for compact disc read-only memory. A CD-ROM is an optical disc that contains audio or software data whose memory is read-only. A CD-ROM device or optical drive is the device to read them. Let's proceed to output devices. So what is output devices? Output devices display information on a screen, create printed copies, or generate sounds. Here are the examples of output devices. Monitor or display. The term monitor is often used synonymously with computer screen or display. The monitor display the computer user interface and open programs, allowing the user to interact with the computer. So the next one is printer. A printer is the output device that prints paper documents. This includes text documents, images, or a combination of both. The last one is speaker. A speaker is an output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from a computer speaker is created by the computer sounds card. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you soon on my next vlog. Bye-bye!